Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Jimbo's Garage. Well, got a new addition to the shop right here. New Air has been a long-time supporter of the channel. If you can remember, a few years ago, they sent out a space heater that's worked really well here in those cold winter days here in the shop. And then I also got a refrigerator a few years ago from them as well. A great addition to the shop. But recently, they just sent me out this new beer froster, specifically designed for beer and keeping this beer at an optimal cool temperature. I mean, who doesn't want a cold beer? I've got it turned down to 26 degrees, and that is just what I found works the best before the beer is actually frosting over or icing over. Ice cold, and that is the way to enjoy a beer. There's a couple things about this refrigerator too I want to point out. This has got a 6-hour party function right here. You activate this button right here. Let's just say you're having a bunch of people over and party here in your backyard or wherever it may be, and there's a lot of people accessing the refrigerator door. You hit this 6-hour party mode and it bumps it down to 23 degrees. So no matter how many times this door is open and closing, it still maintains that cold temperature. After 6 hours up, it gets back up to its original set position, it's 26 degrees. It also has a 1-hour turbo blast. If your beers you just got from the store, you want to put them in there and you hit this turbo blast right here, it bumps it down to 23 degrees and it just puts that extra chill on them extra fast. After that's done, it's back up to its original set temperature. And then this is your temperature control up and down. Like I said, it goes as low as 23 and it can set it as high as you want, but I've got it set at 26. It's the best for me. All right, it's also got this lock feature right here. Now, what this does is if you hold this for 2 seconds right here, what it does is it locks the temperature so nobody can come and adjust the temperature up and down. I don't know if you got kids or whatever. To be honest with you, I'm not certain how well of a function that is, but hey, it locks the temperature and nobody can mess with it unless you deactivate the lock. And then of course this is your light switch right here. This does have a really nice light on the inside of it and lights everything up. This is a really good addition to the shop. It's going to be great after a hard day's work on a Sunday. Have a few of my buddies over and have a couple cold beers and watch a football game. If you guys are interested in something like this, you can check them out at newair.com. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.